welcome back to another Fusion 360 tutorial. Today we're going to look at how to extrude an object. That is to say, we're going to take a two-dimensional sketch and turn it into a three-dimensional drawing. And we're going to do that because if we want to cut something out with the plasma cutter, we want to do some milling, we want to do a 3D print, we need this three-dimensional model. It's really easy to do. First of all, we've got our sketch already done from our tracing tutorial. If you haven't watched that, you might want to go check that out. Now I could do two things. I can go to my shape. We know it's a closed shape because it's doing this. It's brown to start, highlights when we go over it. We could right click and do press pull, but we can also go up to the create menu and do extrude. So I'll do that right now. It's asking us to select a profile, so I'll come down. I'll select our sketch profile. We have one selected now. We've got a number of options. Okay, the ones that we care about more is this one, direction, so we can change, we can make it be symmetric. We can do two sides, we can do one side, we're going to do one side. Distance, there's a few different options. We're going to stick to distance in this simple tutorial. Distance and taper angle, and these are the two things we really care about. So the distance, we're just going to do, let's pick a random number, 1/4 inch, 0.25. And you don't really see anything. So let's go to the home view. Now we can see that we have this object. 0.25 makes it really blocky. Let's change that to 0.025. No, that's better now. Still pretty small. We might need to scale this up. If you don't know how to scale an object, go check out that tutorial as well. And I'll just hit OK. And there we go. We've got our three-dimensional model. One thing we could do is we can, we'll just do undo, Control Z. Let's do it again. Let's have another look. Select profile. Alright. We can do negative 0.025 and it goes downwards. We can grab this arrow and we can just do a free move, just whatever thickness we so desire. That way, this way, it doesn't matter. I'll go back to 0.025. There's another one that's really interesting. That's taper angle. We want to taper our object because when we taper it, I'll do 5 degrees. Something changed. Well, what changed? Well, let's go to the front viewport. Front view. Now right now you can see it, these are angled downwards. Let's change that back to 0. Now they're straight up and down. Let's do -5. And notice they're angled in this direction now. And hit OK. Go to the home view. And this one's handy because now we have tapered sides to do we could 3D print this and it would be a good sandcasting pattern. So it's really handy for that particular reason. The other thing to note is that when you do this, you get these bodies created in whatever your active component is. Now we have a body that we can turn on and off. So that's extrusions 101 for doing work in our shop. Thanks for watching.